What's up, everybody? Happy Thanksgiving. So I just woke up. It's mad cloudy out here. I look mad tired. My voice sounds really crazy nasty. I really want to get a coffee. So let's see how long it takes for me to get up and get a coffee. Today is Calvin's birthday, so we're gonna give him his presents and all that fun stuff. Look at him distracted though, just always distracted. And then look at Diamond. Okay. Alright, y'all, so as you can see, I got him on Naruto Pop Heroes because this boy loves that show, and fucking Boruto, whatever how you say it. Look at how his face is. He looks so like, I love it, when he really doesn't. Like, But yeah, you know, this is the big present, guys. The really big present. I'm gonna add some pictures because I want you to see the picture and like the present so you know what's going on. Him taking mad long to open it. It's a new wallet. Yay. Yay. And there's $20 in it. Shout out to me. Now let me stop. But on the front, y'all, I got his picture engraved. Look at that. Wait. So there's the wallet with the picture side by side. I think it looks really alike. You know, he likes it, even though he like has no type of expression. Like, you know, he's like, oh great, look at this shitty wallet he has. Look at. I'm like, look at it. It's all trash. Look at. He snatched it out of my hand so quick, y'all, because he's like, oh, you're showing my private stuff. You see his face? He had the illest attitude. Like, I should smack him, but it's his birthday, so I'll let it slide. But yeah, happy birthday. So we're about to go get my coffee. And yeah, about to be a baddie. It's getting on my nerves. I'm glad you guys don't hear me arguing with him because he be getting on my fucking nerves, you know what I mean? But what's it called? I'm doing this, guys, because my audio wasn't on for part 1 and 2, but the remainder after this part of the video has my voice in it. So stick around. Love you guys. Alright, guys, so here we are walking through the hallway of my residence. Okay. And my hair looks crazy, so don't roast me. Anyways, we're on a mission. Dun, dun, dun. My grandma needs Velveeta cheese for the mac and cheese, y'all. So, you know, and everything's closed. So we're about to run to Walgreens, grab it, because we're on an important mission. And yeah, I'm just really just talking, not really making any sense, because I still need my coffee. But hey, I got the keys. So this is the first time y'all gonna see me drive. Oh, grrr. Like, can't wait. Action. I don't know how to turn these on. Guys, I don't know how to turn on the wipers. I really don't. Come on. Go. Oh, look, I turned them on. Oh my gosh. Look at, oh, they're so dirty though. My grandma's getting a new car though soon, so y'all. There's not a lot of traffic though. I'm happy about that. Of course the freaking bus. Like, of course the freaking bus. Hey, I don't got time. Alright, we're just gonna park somewhere. It's raining too. Like, dang. Am I in the lines? Hey, look at that. I'm in the lines. Alright, time to go in. Solve the mission. Alright. And then there's mad people here, y'all. Everybody forgot something. Oh, groceries. Should I just get 1 or 2? Me too. Okay. We got it! We did it! Dun, 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 dun. No. Are we still going to Dunkin' Donuts? Yes, girl. I need my coffee. Okay. It's Christmas. Show the sheet. I was like, is he cutting me? I was like, hi, can I get 1 medium iced dark roast, 5 cups of mocha and almond milk, and then can I get a small ice cold brew, 7 pumps of caramel, 7 pumps of caramel, 2 creams, and then yes, and then would you say coffee roll?
Yeah, coffee roll. Coffee roll? Yep.
I mean, I'm gonna get some hash browns, cause come on, like, girl, I can't wait to get my coffee. Like, I'm gonna be like wired up, y'all. Like, and then wait till we see my outfit for today, cause I'm looking like kind of bummy, comfortable. Alright guys, so I'm about to try out the collard greens. You know, make sure there's no poison in it, you know. Just make sure everyone's alive tonight, so. These are my favorite, like, this is my favorite dish. I shouldn't be touching the food, but I'm gonna mind their business. I cut these collard greens since I was 8. Since I was 8, okay? Not in the can. Not in the can. We're back. We're back and better. Oh, look at my outfit. Look at my outfit.
What's his name?
What's his name? The turkey?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's go see the food.
Bobby.
Alright. So here's the stuffing and the chickens. Bun. The collard greens. My favorite. This is chitlins, nasty. My aunt's the only one who eats them. She's pregnant, but she eats them regardless. So, this is the candy yams, the mac and cheese, the ribs, and the ham.
She's doing
Alright, let's go say hi to the family. This is only trip 1, guys. You know, you gotta take like 10 trips, you know? You know.
Did you put it up in the ponytail yet?
No. It's too hot.
Say what's up.
It's too
Hey,
high.
what's up?
What's up?
Everybody say hello.
Oh, look at my boo's on camera. Look, say hi to the camera.
Hello.
Hello. Everyone, this is my soon-to-be godchild right here. Isn't the baby beautiful?
Extra
Like,
thing. Oh, you just going around looking for them shirts.
right. And then you already know the big star on my YouTube, my grandma. You already know. Grandma, say hi to your fans.
Hi.
I'm a fucking killer.
Alright. And then we got Diamond over here. What's up? Alright guys, so we're doing my makeup. This side is pointier than this side. So we're just gonna, that part right there. Okay. Shout out to Diamond for the eyeshadow. Yep, so we're getting ready right now. I'm looking dusty. Look at my back. Thank you. I don't give a fuck about your boyfriend. You gotta kind of move. What do you mean, run away? Alright, this is the palette. Okay. Can you, alright, can you do it? Yes. Alright. Damn, y'all, I keep breaking my toilet seat. I don't know which one is. What? Which eye? So both of them? Yeah, just like cover like the black line a little. I don't like it looking so like, you know, in my face. Okay. My aunt's here. Yes!
You want to tell me that's good enough for that?
Yeah. Yeah, I like that.
Okay.
My tea is here.
My hair's itchy. That's Diana. That's Diana. Calvin, come here.
Yes. Why you just sitting right there?
Cause I'm waiting. Like, you just killed my whole like.
Oh, Nayana, please.
Okay. Happy birthday to you.
Happy.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy.
Happy birthday,
Sir
Calvin.
Auntie Ciara.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy.
Come on, you
Are you sure it's a cake?
Oh
I can eat this by
Oh, that's
myself.
what I'm saying. I told you that.
You want dying?
No. Okay.
Birthday.
But there's not a candle. But make a wish. No, pray to God. Make a wish.
What?
I'm like, why you bring me to the cake? There's no candle. Oh,
Well, like, I didn't know what the candles were. How about I light up a lighter and you make a wish?
22, right?
Let me go like this and you make a
22,
wish.
right? I'm 20.
20?
Yeah.
Flat 20? I thought you were 21.
Ready?
No.
Yes.
Yes.
I was gonna tell you to make a wish. Okay.
20.
Alright!
After years. I don't need wishes. I make things happen.
After
I
years.
make things happen.
Yo, that's a nice cake. Wait, you want it all? Like,
Okay. Stop! Stop! What are you doing?
am I supposed to walk away? Okay.
Why are you leaving? Why are you leaving? What are you talking about?
Calvin, you keep your back turned that way, please.
Like, stop it.
I feel like he's gonna
She's not gonna hit
smash some
this.
food in my face.
What food, Calvin? This
That's
is
just a
it's
cake,
an ice
Calvin.
cream
That's a
cake.
damn ice cream cake.
Could have got some.
No food up in here. Come here.
No, stop. I did that so last minute. Come here and say hi to the camera. Why'd you say stop?
Did you get the end of it?
Diana, I kind of.
Yeah, I know.
Let me do that in your house.
Whatever. Running like a rat.
Alright, Donnie. Alright.
I'm gonna just put it on.
Hey, girl, how did you feel about the prank?
Yeah.
Wow. Alright, guys. So we'll meet back up at my mom's. Alright. Alright, guys. Well, I hope you enjoyed my Thanksgiving with me. Sorry we didn't get no footage at my mom's, but I didn't get there till like really late, and you know, I was having some coquito, like. So, thank you for all the love and support. Shout out to all my subscribers. When I hit 350, you guys will know what the giveaway is for the 400 subscriber. And I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Make sure you like, subscribe, share, tell a friend. You already know.
See ya.
Mommy, I asked you to leave me some, and you said just leave you some. All right, there you go. You're good.
See ya.
Process. You want a baby?
See ya.
You got a baby in there.
You have my kids.
Oh, oh, oh.